Welcome everyone. Today we're exploring the %ABS built-in function on the IBM I systems. This function returns the absolute value of a numeric expression. Let's dive into how it works with a practical example. var1 is initialized as -1. Applying %ABS returns the absolute value 1. var2 is initialized as -12,345. Applying %ABS return the absolute value 12345. var3 is initialized as -12,345.678. Applying %ABS returns the absolute value 12,345.678. Let's run this code to see the results. As you can see, %ABS effectively transforms negative values into positive values, ensuring that our calculations or displays are correct and meaningful. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on %ABS built-in function by programmers.io. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in understanding how to use the %ABS function on IBM I RPGLE. Stay tuned for more insights into IBM I RPGLE programming. Have a great day.